Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So let's discuss global market. We'll discuss important US indices and along with that we'll analyze the Nifty 50 chart and find out important key levels for the next week. So to know the Nifty 50 levels and important updates, stay connected till end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel also for regular stock market update, sector indices, levels update. So let's start with the global market and then we'll go for the Nifty 50 chart. तो ग्लोबल मार्केट डिस्कस करने से पहले विल शेयर इम्पोर्टेंट अपडेट अबाउट द जीएसटी डेटा विच केम yesterday only, and the GST data collection is at 1.96 lakh crore, up 4.6% year on year, Y on Y. So this is the GST collection risen by 4.6% and 3.7% MOM. So this is a positive thumbs up for the stock market. Good news. And the total GST collection is at 36,547 crore. So this is actually important news came, which was important to share with you all. And now let's go for the global market and we'll see the indices. In Indian market, it was negative on Friday. All were at around 0.5%. The Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, and Sensex also. They were trading around 0.5% के आसपास. And if you see the Friday US indices, DJI is 0.09 means neutral only, and S&P 500 is also 0.26 and Nasdaq is zero point 0.6. So this is also very neutral, means not very up and not very down. So this was overall moderate neutral. And if we talk about the commodities, so we can see the Brent oil is trading at 65 around, which is a comfortable zone. So now it is a little bit cooled off, Brent oil. And gold silver is around $4,000, $4,077 gold, and silver is at 49. So again, the silver, gold and silver crashed from the Diwali, but again they are at their good support. So this was overall commodity discussion, and if we see the uh, INR, so INR is around 88.8, which is again earlier it little bit got strengthened, but it is actually again going little bit high, means the rupees is falling, trading low, 88.8. So overall, this was the global market discussion, and now we'll share the Nifty 50 chart and we'll analyze what is happening on the chart. So you can see I have drawn this trend line and this horizontal line, which is showing here a resistance which is all time high also, around 26,250, around 26,277 was the exact high, all time high of the Nifty 50. And this is the level Nifty 50 is trying to reach, but still it got stuck at the level of 26,100 since last 2 3 weeks. You can see from here, if last week also it got stuck here, and then before that also, even before that, it gave from here, it gave from this trend line, it gave the breakout, good breakout. And I have discussed in my last video also the Nifty 50 breakout reached till here of 26,100 and then taken resistance, and then here support was the breakout level, which was 25,700. So yeah, earlier also it was 25,000 700, around 650 700, which was earlier also a resistance, and again it is taking a support same at the same place. So this is 25,700, 650 or 600, we can say, roughly 650 actually exact figure. So 25,650 ke around it was taking support, and again then went to the 26,100. Again here it taken resistance, means this 26,100 is small hurdle for the Nifty, becoming a small hurdle for the Nifty 50 to reach its all-time high 26,277. So we need to watch in next week that it is breaking this level and going to the all-time high or not, because again it has taken resistance and going to this 20 EMA level, which is 25,600 again. 25,600, the same place. तो नीड टू सी कि 20 MA पे सपोर्ट लेके अगेन it is taking reversal and going to the all time high, or it is breaking this also. If it's breaking this 20 MA also, then this trend line will be a good support, is going to give a very strong support to the Nifty 50, which is 25,400. 25,400 will be a short term support for the next week after breaking this 20 EMA of 25,600 to 25,600, and then 25,400 is on the card, and 26,100 will be still a resistance. Breaking it, of course, one all-time high is imminent. So these two, three means four levels are very important to be mindful for the next week, to watch for the next week, and that I have just discussed, and the important news also I have discussed. I will repeat the Nifty 50 levels again for you all, that Nifty 50 important support is 25,600, and then 25,400, and resistance is 26,100, and then 26,277, the all-time high, of course. I discussed the Nifty Bank chart yesterday on Saturday video. Please go through that video for the Nifty Bank level. And this is the Nifty 50 level, of course. And like and share the video and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and indices levels update. Signing off.